Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the use of I have to. Today we will make the sentences related I have to. I have to read. मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to read. मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to sing. मुझे गाना है. I have to eat. मुझे खाना है. I have to write. मुझे लिखना है. I have to go. मुझे जाना है. I have to pay. मुझे अदा करना है. I have to play. मुझे खेलना है. I have to make. मुझे बनाना है. Like it, we can make the sentences related I have to. So practice is important. Thanks for watching.